In this photo, we can see that a lens will sometimes apply a form of vignette, which is visible before any edits or profile corrections are made. In the Develop panel, if we go to Lens Corrections and the Manual section, we can use the Vignetting Amount slider to remove that vignette. If this tool is used to apply a vignette to a photo, and then the photo is cropped, the vignette is lost. Even if the photo was cropped first, and then the vignette applied, you still wouldn't see the vignette, because it has been applied to the whole photo including outside the cropping area. Enter the Post Cop Vignette tool, which is found in the Effects panel. We will apply a hard feather to our vignette for demonstration purposes. It is called Post Cop Vignette because when you crop an image with a vignette already applied, the vignette is reapplied to the image after cropping and adjusted accordingly. It will remain in proportion to the new crop settings. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.